Hello guys, this is Ananda Biker. Today I've got my hands on the new JBL J33 in-ear headphones. I'm going to give you a review of it, then you can decide whether you would like to purchase it or not and what are the pros and cons of this headphones that I found. Let's open it. They have given a very nice premium hard shell case with it. No doubt the cost of this earphone is also much than the previous JBL models. Let's see from exterior how does it look like. They have given a very nice aluminum finish to it. They shine. These are in black color. The standard JBL symbol. Nice, isn't it? And the wire quality is also quite thick, so that they last at least 2 years long. They have extended the jack part too, so that it don't get bends up here itself, and sometimes the earphones break from this side, so they have extended this part. All in all, exteriorly it looks very promising and they look very sexy. So let's see on paper what are its specifications. On paper, as I saw, they have got a driver which is 9 mm long, and you get 3 to 4 sets of different earbud size, and it has got a 3.5 mm jack, which is standard nowadays. And coming to the frequency range, it has got a frequency range of 10 hertz to 20,000 hertz, that is 20 kilohertz, and they look very promising on when you go on the. But I was very excited when I got them, but actually when I tried inserting them in my ears, I felt that these are the heaviest pair of earphones I have ever used. Some reasons that I found, that in order to make the wire very sturdy, in order to give it so much strength, they have added too much extra weight to the wire. And on top of that, this 9 mm driver, I don't know what magic does it produce, but these just are too heavy for a normal person like me to put it in ears for a long period of time. Now, if you are planning of just for listening to music while just sitting, then they may be one for you. And when you have a pair of earphones, in-ear earphones, you expect them to be lightweight, to give comfort, and of course premium good music as JBL boast of. So if I have to give it some stars out of 5, I would give them just 2. I would repeat the reasons again. The thing I didn't like at all, you cannot keep them in ears. They tend to fall. The silicone rubber which I got with them is so slippery. It just tends to slip from my ears. And if I have it plugged in deep in my ears, and if I start walking, then they cannot withstand it. They cannot remain inside even for a minute. I don't know what to do with them. So all in all, I'm not happy, and I won't suggest anyone to buy these pair of earphones. Instead, go for a cheaper one, J100 something model, for which I have already posted a review of it. No doubt they are sturdy. No doubt they can last more than a year. And I hope you found my review somewhat helpful. I'm not trying in any sense to portray the negative image of JBL. I'm a big fan of JBL, that's why I bought them. Thanks for watching this video.